If you want to edit on your phone and you don't even know where to start or like what to do, this is the video for you. And these are tips that you can implement literally right now. So let's just jump into my best tips for editing on mobile. My videos are fast too, so we're gonna rapid fire go through these, okay? Most people's biggest question is, what do I even edit on? My favorite mobile editing app that I just continuously find myself going back to every single time I need to edit a video on my phone is CapCut. It has so many AI features that a lot of really expensive software don't even have yet. I'm talking to you, Final Cut Pro. So as a content creator, sometimes you'll feel pressure to upgrade your equipment. Don't upgrade everything all at once. That's not wise. One of the hacks that I use all the time is using the Voice Memo app for voiceovers. So for example, like for my tutorial series, I talk into my Voice Memo app to record the voiceover part, and I find that it sounds even better than when I'm recording into my professional mic, which is right here and attached to my phone. Just use the Voice Memo app for voiceovers. It's so much easier. Set a timer for editing sprints. I love to do 60-minute editing sprints, but I think you can start with 15 minutes, especially if you're mobile editing. You don't need to edit for an hour on your phone. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb or airplane mode. Find a quiet place, maybe by sunlight, because sunlight is really calming for the nervous system. Turning it into a distraction-free device while you're editing is going to help you stay in the flow state. This next one's kind of a filming hack. Film B-roll throughout your day, even if you don't need it yet, and put them in your video later. There's a rule in storytelling and they say, show, don't tell. If you're talking about,
I went to the beach last weekend.
Show a shot of you at the beach. This might sound weird, but lowering your brightness on your phone while you're editing might help you see little things like scene changes or light shifts more clearly. Don't edit on full brightness, turn it down to like 75% half, and you'll be able to see little scene shifts a lot easier. Ooh, create mood playlists while you're editing. I love doing this. Listening to music while you edit helps you edit more in line with the emotion you're trying to evoke, even before you've added music to the final cut, because a lot of times that's one of the last steps. So it really helps you stay in the energy of the edit if you can find music that kind of matches the vibe of what you're already editing. And it also helps give you ideas for the music you want to add to the video in the final cut. Find where you're best creatively and edit at those times. So I'm really great at editing in the morning. I get really burned out by nighttime. When do you do your best work? Edit then. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. I make videos like this every 2 weeks, and I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.